Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhageshri Hule. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA Inter syllabus 2022 paper number 6 financial accounting, in that NPO illustrations. So today we will solve the first illustration which is given in your study material, that is illustration number 13. Illustration number 1 to 12 is related to your profit motive organization, so we will do it later, but now we are looking for NPO illustrations. So NPO illustrations are starting from illustration number 13. Okay, so here short one small question is given regarding subscription account. So basically subscription, I have already explained that subscription is the main income source of NPO. So we are going to understand all the activities regarding your subscription account. Illustration number 13. On 31st March 2021, a club had subscription in arrears means outstanding, of 28,000 and in advance, that is 4,000, during the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so basically current year is 21 and 22. Okay, 2021 and 22 current year is. The club received subscription of 2,08,000. Okay, so this is nothing but subscription received during the current year. Okay, and here this subscription, that is 31st March 2021, this data is regarding last year, that is previous year. Okay, so this is previous year data, that is 28,000 and 4,000, and here it is given current year data. Okay, current year data is given, out of which 12,500 was relating to 2022 and 23. 22 and 23 is subsequent year, यानी कि next year. Okay, after that on 31st March 2021 there were 5 members. 31st March 2021 there were 5 members who had not paid the subscription for 2022. Okay, so 2022 का जो year है उसके लिए subscription अभी तक नहीं दिया है, 1,600 per person. Okay, prepare the subscription account for the year 2021 and 22. Okay, so here we will mention here as a rough work that which is previous year, which is current year, and which is subsequent year, so that it will be easy to record the data in your account. So basically previous year is C 2021, so it is 2020 to 21 is the previous year. Okay, now current year is 2021 and 22, and subsequent year यानी कि next year is 2022 and 23. Okay, here it is. Now we are going to record now this subscription account. Okay, this subscription account, if it is in arrears, that is outstanding, so it will be a asset of NPO. Okay, तो basically जब subscription outstanding है तो वो outstanding amount is asset for the NPO because we are going to receive that subscription. Okay, so I am talking about this, that is arrears outstanding 28,000. It is asset for the NPO, right? So it will be recorded on the debit side because assets are having debit side. Okay, assets को debit side होता है तो हम लोग ये जो outstanding subscription है वो debit में लिखेंगे account के. ठीक है, I hope you are understanding. So सबसे पहले आएगा यहाँ पे starting में subscription account. See, subscription account we have drawn here to balance brought down. Okay, that is outstanding, that is arrears. Okay, so that is 28,000 starting में. Okay, 31st March के ending, 31st March 2021 ending, it means it is the starting of current year. Okay, so that's why this is the opening balance. Now it is in advance. Advance मतलब ये liability होगा because we have received the subscription and here we have not given any services to the members till now. So wherever outstanding subscription is there, it is asset, so it has a debit balance, and advance subscription is there, then that is a liabilities, and we have to write on the credit side because liabilities are having credit balances. Okay, so now here we are going to write by balance brought down only because ये भी आपका क्या है, opening balance है. So here I will mention advance. Okay, because दो BD balances है तो we will get confused, so that's why we are mentioning here. Okay, after that next transaction, during the ईयर एंडेड 31 मार्च 2022. ओके, सो 21-22 में, दैट इज करंट ईयर में, वी हैव रिसीव्ड द सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ 2,08,000. वी हैव रिसीव्ड. ओके, सो रिसीव्ड का एंट्री कैसे आएगा? रिसीव्ड कैश में रिसीव्ड होगा सपोज, तो कैश में रिसीव्ड होगा तो अपने पास कैश रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए कौन सा अकाउंट है? रिसिट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू द अकाउंट्स रिलेटिंग टू द एनपीओ. इन दैट कैश related transactions goes to the receipt and payment account, right? So here cash is coming, that is 2,08,000. okay, so entry will be receipt and payment debit, okay, to subscription, because we are receiving subscription. This will be the entry for 2,08,000. now we are going to do the posting of this. so subscription account के credit में जाएगा, right? so here by receipt and payment account, receipt and payment account, that is 2,08,000. what is this? We have received. okay, so here we have received this subscription. now next, out of which 12,500 was related to 2022-23. 2022-23 means subsequent year, यानी कि next year, right? so next year related subscription we have received in advance in 2021 and 22. so that means that subsequent years subscription is always advance. next year का subscription अभी लेके बैठे हो तो वो advance में जाएगा, right? see, advance मतलब ये closing balance आएगा, तो यहाँ पे अपना एडवांस का ओपनिंग कहाँ पे है? क्रेडिट में. तो अब भी क्लोजिंग कहाँ पे जाएगा? डेबिट में जाएगा. ओके, सो टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. ओके, एडवांस. अभी ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत बेसिक है और आप प्रोफेशनल कोर्स में हो तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें जल्दी जल्दी समझ में आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? बिकॉज दिस आर वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स विच वी लर्न इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड. सो अमाउंट इज 12,500. now next, on 31st March 2021, there were 5 members who had not paid the subscription for 2022. so basically उनको ये कहना है कि 2021 and 22 ये जो ईयर है ना, उस ईयर में जो कुछ मेंबर्स है, 5 मेंबर्स, दे हैव नॉट पेड द सब्सक्रिप्शन, दैट इज 1,600 पर पर्सन. ओके, सो बेसिकली here I think the date should be, okay, be specific. question में डेट कैसे आनी चाहिए? on 31st March 2022 आना चाहिए. okay, there were 5 members who have not paid subscription for 21-22, right? so it should be here 22. be specific. okay, so 31st March 2022 पे 5 members है जिन्होंने सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं पे किया है for 2021 and 22. इट मीन्स करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग बोला है. ओके, 1,600 पर पर्सन, 1,600 पर पर्सन, और वैसे 5 पर्सन है नहीं पे किया है, इट मीन्स आउटस्टैंडिंग. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू रिसीव इन फ्यूचर. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग का ये क्लोजिंग बैलेंस रहेगा क्योंकि 31st मार्च 2022. सो डेट चेंज करोगे तो ज़्यादा जल्दी समझ में आएगा. बहुत सारे टाइपिंग एरर मिलेंगे आपको बाद में स्टडी मटेरियल में, तो जहाँ जहाँ पे भी करेक्शन रहेगा मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ओके, so make a corrections that here it should be 2022 and here it should be 2021 and 22, so that confusion will not be there. so 1,600 multiplied by 5 members. okay, so this is a outstanding closing balance. here outstanding opening is on debit side, तो outstanding closing कहाँ पे जाएगा आपका? क्रेडिट में. by balance carried down, that is of outstanding. okay, rupees 1,600 multiplied by 5 members. let's calculate. 8,000. ठीक है. now we have to close this subscription account. okay, now we will take a total that which side is more. credit side is more, so 4,000 plus 2,000, sorry, 2,08,000 and 8,000, so it is 2,20,000. ठीक है. from credit side we are deducting the debit side amounts. we are getting the balance 1,79,500. okay, so 1,79,500 here it is the balance. okay, so balance we are getting here. I'm just pointing out that balance. Now what we are going to write here, see, after doing all the adjustment regarding previous year, current year, subsequent year regarding subscription and subscription received, we will get the balance. That balance will go to the income and expenditure account. So this is the final amount which we will record in income and expenditure account. okay, so this is nothing but your balancing figure. okay, so I hope you understand this question. You can check the answer from your study material. Now this is a new syllabus and I have completed my CMA in old syllabus, so I don't have study material, so that's why I'm taking Xerox or printout like this and I am teaching you. okay, so here we have completed illustration number 13. Now we will go for illustration number 14. The City Sports Club of the Surat had received in 2021 and 22 50,000 towards the subscription. okay, subscription for 2020 and 21 unpaid on 1st April 2021, that is rupees 5,000. Subscription paid in advance, that is on 31st March 2021 were 1,250 and the same on 31st March 2022 was 1,000. Subscription for 2021 and 22 unpaid and on 31st March 2022 were 2,250. Show the statement showing the amount of subscription that would appear in the income statement account. okay, for the club for the year ended 31st March 2022. For the year ended 31st March 2022, it means we are having here previous year, current year and subsequent year. okay, current year is this 31st March 2022. okay, it means 21 and 22 is the current year, right? So इसके पहले वाला that is 20 and 21 will be your previous year. okay, and इसके आगे वाला that is 22 and 23 will be your subsequent year. okay, I hope you understand this. Question number 13 and question number 14 both are same, but problem is that in question number 13 we have prepared the account and in question number 14 we are going to prepare a statement. okay, that is the difference only. So here we are going to understand that which items will be added and which items will be deducted. okay, so first of all one amount I will take and I will record. First of all, City Sports Club had received 2021 and 22. It means current year receipt, it is 50,000. okay, subscription received in the current year, that is 2021 and 22 is 50,000. okay, then next subscription for 2020 and 21, 20 and 21 unpaid outstanding. okay, on 1st April 2021. okay, so first day पे outstanding ही रहेगा, right? So that is 5,000. so it is nothing but previous year का outstanding amount 5,000. okay, see, one golden rule regarding NPO is that normally whatever is related to your previous year and subsequent year you have to deduct it. okay, so previous year के related रहेगा, subsequent year के related रहेगा, तो normally deduct होता है. previous year का outstanding बोल रही हूँ मैं और subsequent year में advance होता है. okay, so here it is outstanding, unpaid means outstanding of previous year, that is 5,000. Q minus होता है. see, why we are deducting this? 5,000 were related to previous year and they are received in current year. okay, and in income and expenditure account we never record the amounts relating to the previous year and subsequent year, only current year related amounts are recorded. इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में प्रीवियस ईयर और सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता है, सिर्फ करंट ईयर रिकॉर्ड होता है और ये ऑलरेडी मैंने बताया हुआ है इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट में. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 5,000 आपका आउटस्टैंडिंग है, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू प्रीवियस ईयर. ओके, प्रीवियस ईयर रिलेटेड चीजें माइनस होंगी. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई सी लेस आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, लास्ट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन माइनस करना है, दैट इज 5,000. We are going to deduct it, so I am putting a bracket. Okay, after that here subscription in advance. Okay, that is on 31st March 2021. 31st March 2021 मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर में कुछ आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट था सॉरी एडवांस अमाउंट था 1250. ओके, प्रीवियस ईयर में एडवांस था मतलब वो ये ईयर के लिए, मतलब करंट ईयर के लिए रिसीव किया था. ओके, सो प्रीवियस ईयर वाला एडवांस इट मीन्स दैट इज यूजफुल इन द करंट ईयर, सो दैट्स वाई वी आर गोइंग टू add it. Okay, so we are going to add the last year advance. Okay, that is 1250. If you are getting confused, then you can by heart it. Okay, unfortunately I have to tell you to by heart it if you are not getting the logic. So here last year outstanding is there, then we have to deduct, and last year advance is there, then we have to add. Okay, because last year outstanding is received in the current year, which is not related to current year, but last year advance is received in the last year, but that is related to current year, so that's why we are adding. Okay, next same, and the same means advance on 31st March 2022. 31st March 2022 पे एडवांस है 1000 का, दैट इज करंट ईयर. ओके, सो करंट ईयर का एडवांस क्या होगा आपका, लेस होगा, बिकॉज करंट ईयर एडवांस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू दिस ईयर. ओके, सो बेसिकली अपोजिट इफेक्ट्स विल बी देयर. ओके, advance, but this is related to last year, we will add. This is related to current year, we will less. Okay, after that next subscription for the year 2021 and 22. Okay, 21 and 22 मतलब करंट ईयर का ये क्या है, आउटस्टैंडिंग है. करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग मतलब रिलेटेड टू करंट ईयर ओनली, so we are going to add it, and finally it will go to the asset side, but here balance sheet is not asked, so we will just add it. Okay, 2250. Current year outstanding subscription 2250. See, outstanding, last year less, current year add. Okay, just don't by heart normally, just try to understand that last year outstanding is not related to current year, that's why we are deducting. Last year advance is related to this year only, that's why we are adding. Current year advance is not related to this year, that is related to subsequent year, so we are deducting. Current year outstanding is obviously related to current year, so that's why we are adding. Simple thing is that. Okay, now all the figures are recorded, just we have to add less and we'll get a final amount. 50,000 minus 5,000 plus 1,250 minus 1,000 plus 2,250. Okay, we are getting 47,500. You can check the answer here also. Okay, so it is 47,500. This is the final amount we will record in your income and expenditure account. See, current year's final amount, that is subscription final amount appears in the income and expenditure account for the year current year, that is 21 and 22. Okay, I hope you clear both the questions, that is illustration number 13 and illustration number 14. So here we have completed illustration number 13 and 14. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel playlist to get videos on various topics, and also join my Telegram group. Link is given in description box, so you will get the notes from Telegram group. Thanks for watching, friends.